Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you had a fabulous weekend. Finally day off after a very busy working weekend. Today we are going to be making some embellishment using a film strips die, and I have put some on my papers to create these gorgeous papercraft decorations that can be used in your junk journal, card making, gift tag making, 3D papercraft, anything that you guys want to make with those. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today we are going to be making some belly band decorations, and I thought, oh, let's use, I've got one left there, I probably missed it. Let's use these. I got this for Christmas. Santa bought me this. Santa, how we do it? Around October, I send Jamie a list of things I want. So Jamie then calls Santa and says, Antonio's been a really good boy this year and he deserves all these goodies. And then when it comes to Christmas, Santa will wrap all these crafty goodies and then leave them under the tree. So when I wake up on the 25th in the morning, then I open it, and then we're extremely surprised because I pretend that I didn't know that Santa bought me this. I was like, oh my god, exactly what I wanted. So this is what's happening in my house on Christmas Day. So I had it for a few months and I never use it yet. So this is I think it's called like a strip film dies. I'm not going to put any links or anything like that. I think Santa bought this from eBay. And I don't really do affiliate links, so for my reasons, which you probably don't want to know because it's boring. But anyway, so I got these strips and I never used it before. So the other day I was tidying up the craft room, and when you tidy things, it's like you're going shopping again. When you tidy the craft room and you say, oh, I never used this before, it's like you're going shopping again. So I recommend tidy up your craft room at least twice a month, because it's like you're going shopping again and you don't know things that you bought. This is my case. Anyway, so got this. I thought, right, let's do things. With my really pleasant surprise, it was the first time I used it. So when you look at this die, it's quite not intimidating, but you look at it and you say, oh my god, you got to pick one of all these little elements one by one, and it's gonna take you forever. Actually, this die works so well. So well. So I put it through the big shot like a few times, I must admit. So I was like back and forwards, and he cut this beautifully. I have one of my favorite, and I will do a video. I normally do a video at the end of the year, my favorite craft tools, but this has got to be one of my 2023 favorite craft tool. It's from Stampin' Up. It's called Take Your Pick, or Pick Your, something like that, something to do with picking. So it's got different ends that you can change. So this has got like a point, but anyway, I'm not advertising Stampin' Up, but anyway, so I use this little tip there, and you can literally like poke all literally they come out in a blink. So I got a few of these strips. They're beautiful. What I was saying, yeah, so the beauty of this die, so when I cut it, I was like, okay, so he cut this edge, which is this one. So can you see this line here? Because I thought, actually, am I doing something wrong? But it's attached. Can you see that? So that's attached to this end. So I thought, oh, that's bizarre. That is not on the other side. Why is that? And then I realized, because you can make this strip as long as you possibly want. So, and I thought that is really clever, because what you can do, you can roll it up and do like a rolling, like a like a strip of embellishment. And I thought, how clever is that? So one of the edge is got a cut, but what I think as well, and I'm not going to do it because I'll use it like that, you can probably break this and get rid of those two. So you got a die that cut this in an unlimited roll. I'm hoping it's clear what I'm trying to say. So So yeah, so I've got a few of those, and I thought, actually, do you know what would be nice to use with this? One of my these actually papers are one of the most selling. It's a huge kit. Look how many pages. I'm not going to go through one by one because there are tons of pages. I'm just going to give you a quick flick through. It's called Photos. Oh, I can't remember now. I think it's something to do with photos. They are original photos from my home village that I've signed permission to sell them, and they are mostly about the wartime, but some of them are in the middle of the century, in the beginning of the 1900, the beginning of 1900. You got people on the Vespa, the Italian ones, families, soldiers. And what I did, I gave you different sizes. You can see that some are really big, some are like a medium size, some are portrait, some are landscapes. Yeah, so that's a good example. So you have kind of different colors. So you've got black and white, and you've got what do you call this? Oh, I'm missing the word in English. I know in Italian. Sorry, it's not coming. It's like this brownie coffee color. It will come back to me. Oh, he's bagging me now. Oh God, how do you call this finish? This is one of my main square in my home village. So yeah, you've got tons and tons and tons of photos in all different. This is the port. This is my hometown. Oh, look at that. This is about 10 minutes from the town centre. This is one of the side street. So that's again, it's the same. That's the same square, but in a different angle. So that is the beginning of the 900. And some of these businesses they're still on, they're still working. This is the castle that is by the port. So yeah, so loads and loads and loads and loads and loads of pages. So now I lost, oh no, it's there. So when you print these papers, you've got different sizes. So can you see? So you get 2 into 1 big page. So what I thought we will do, we're gonna create like a fake Polaroid, not Polaroid, film strips using these pages here. Now when you die cut your strip, you get this rectangular that literally coming off there. So keep it, because this will be your template. So what I'm going to do with the pencil, there it is. So I'm going to position that. Can you see what I'm doing? Yes. And then, so that I don't want to get my head in on the camera, on screen. Ooh. Now, because you're watching me, I feel under pressure, but you get the gist. And then I'm gonna fussy cut it, and I decide which pieces they're gonna go on this on the strip. Now, if you guys want to, when you print this page, don't ask me how, because every printer has got a different setting. So you can tell the printer that you want to print this page, instead of being like that, you want to scale it in half and print it even smaller. So this rectangular will be half of the size. Okay, so it's completely up to you. But I don't want the reason why I left it like that, because if you print it in half, these people will be super tiny, and you're not going to be able to see a lot of details. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to go and fussy cut all of this and glue them on the back here, and then we're going to have our strips, and then we decided what to do with it. Okay guys, so done. So this is one I absolutely love. In fact, let me move everything so you can see them. So this is one. I hope you like them. I'm absolutely pleased with how they turned out. So yeah, love it. And what I've done with the back, I just put a strip of black cardstock. I just measured it, and don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can probably see it because you can see some glue picking out. So yeah, on this one I just created a little, I don't know what to call it, I'll call it belly band if you do like a journal, but can be a tag or a little bookmark as well. So they are super cute little craft fair ideas, I guess. I just literally used some scrap craft cardstock, and I had this lace. Is my stash. It's not white. I don't know if it comes out as white, but it's more like a yellowy creamy beigey lace. And I just simply cut and create this little, I don't really know, like color tag / belly band. Again, but what you want, if you want to as well, what you can do using the reverse, well, another one of your strip, glue them together, and that will hide the white, of course, because what you need to bear in mind when you glue the papers, of course, the reverse of my printout is white. So what you want to do, probably put a strip of black like I've done here, and then if you wanted to just mount another one, just glue it on top, so you kind of get the same effect front and back. See, that is, if I do that, that will be more cleaner. It's like a more cleaner finish. On here you can see that it's just a strip on top of it. It just, you don't really have to do it. It also made it more steady, you know, if you use it as a little bookmark or as an embellishment. But what you can do as well, once it's completely dry, and I'm not going to do it because mines are not dry yet, you can roll it and create like a strip. And what you can do, you can just simply cut. You can decorate this, you can put some butterflies, you can use them on your cluster. You know, this is one of my favorite dies I use a lot for embellishment. I can see like a little cluster and maybe chop these and use them as an embellishment. So if you are interested, let me know in the comment, and I'll probably do another video when we use the strips, those strips here, and then we create some embellishment together, because you know they're quite vintage, quite nice. Or you can use them as they are. So yeah, I'm very pleased with those two. I do like this one, I must admit. It's very retro, it's very vintagey looking. Okay, so guys, I'm going to go. I hope you like again some more inspiration, some more ideas. If you wish to support me and buy the kit, it's linked down below. There is 25 pages. It's loads of pages. Different landscape, you've got landscape, portrait, different sizes, different finishing. Everything is listed down below. Okay guys, if you like this embellishment, please consider to give me a really big thumbs up, because it really helps with the channel and the video as well. Do you know why, guys? Because you tell YouTube how fabulous I am. Guys, I will put somewhere on the screen a couple of videos that you might be interested in that showcase how to make some more embellishment to use for your paper craft project. So I will put somewhere on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching once again, guys, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Bye.